Hello, it's Friday the 17th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. Now in the UK, immigration remains a pretty emotive topic and a big challenge for Starmer. He scrapped the Rwanda scheme, opting for a one-in, one-out deal with France instead. But this looks fairly unlikely to be effective enough to appease the far right, especially where the Treasury is still spending over £5 million a day to house undocumented migrants in hotels and HMOs. Andrew Bailey's been on. He warned the economy is running under potential. That's as unemployment hit 4.8%. That is the highest we've seen since 2021. And where inflation is way over target at 3.8%, this means it's less likely we'll see any further rate cuts this year. Rachel Reeves has been on. She's over in Washington for the IMF meetings. She thinks that UK inflation may need a joint bank and Treasury action force. And that sparks speculation that she may cut 5% VAT on energy bills. Naturally, that's also raised the question of where the Treasury coffers are going to be filled from, because that fiscal gap certainly won't be filled by tax cuts now, will it? Over in the US, Powell has been on. He signalled no major shift in inflation or employment amid the government shutdown. And this rather paves the way for two more rate cuts in the US before year end. Trump's mole, Stephen Miran, has also been on. As US-China tensions escalate, he took the opportunity to support the idea of a quick rate cut as a solution to tariff uncertainty and the trade risks with China. In the market, the dollar index pulled back to about 98.30 on rate cut expectation, and we head towards the weekend this morning from 134.55 against the dollar, 114.80 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 117.15 on the open this morning. So that's it from me. Capping off another week. Thank you very much for joining me again. Wish you a wonderful weekend. We'll do it again on Monday. All the best.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.